Hi guys, this is George from EDC Leather. I had some questions on the Illume platform about a hot box. Number one, the question was, will a food dehydrator work in place of a hot box? And my answer for that is absolutely. Let me show you what advantages we do get with a hot box. So look at the size of this puppy, and you can put racks in to hang stuff, and then a rack on the bottom if you want to support stuff there. Notice we are running 4 heating units in this box. You really don't need that many. We are in and out of these boxes a lot, and I want superior heat recovery. But this hot box is just a kitchen cabinet for the restore. We use a BN Link controller off of Amazon. They're about 36 bucks. 120 millimeter, 110 volt fan. Infrared heating units, and then little oven racks with hooks on them. And, you know, here's another one. That one's got 3 in it because we broke one. There's some holsters in this one, actually. These are some holsters for the new book. How cool is that? So these are 3 of the holsters that are being highlighted and built in the new book, which is Design and Construction of the Practical Leather Holster Pancake Edition. How cool is that? And you can see there's some more cabinets. We have hot boxes all over the place. But will a food dehydrator work? Absolutely.